Hello, let's see a demo of translation editor workflow of Chitralekha. Chitralekha is an open source AI based video subtitling platform. Logging in as the translation editor, the landing page has the list of projects this user has been assigned to. These are the set of videos which belong to this particular project. So this is the video ID, this is the name of the video, this is the YouTube link, this is the duration of the video. These are the actions for downloading the related tasks and viewing the video. This language bar shows the source language and the target language of the video. Created shows the time and date when this video was created. Current owner shows the user with whom the current task of this project is in. Status shows the task status. Clicking on view button, one can view the video, play or pause it, and then see the list of tasks which belong to this particular video. Moving to the tasks tab, these are the set of tasks which have been assigned to this user in this particular project. Since this user belongs to the translation editor role, there are only translation edit tasks assigned to this user. So a translation edit task gets enabled only upon the completion of the transcript edit stage. So that is why these translation tasks are all disabled. Upon completion of translation edit, its status changes to complete and one can export or get a preview of the subtitles. So in order to start editing the translation task, this is the translation edit page which has the source transcript and the machine generated translation. In order to start editing the translation, one can just click on the subtitle box and start editing. In order to type in Indic languages, one can click on settings, select transliteration and then enter the word. So now let us say that we type this word. The transliteration model returns the various options and one can choose the correct spelling. For typing in English, the user can just select the English spelling or the user can turn off transliteration and then type. Also, if the user has the Hindi keyboard, they can use that automatically after turning off the transliteration. For typing in languages like Urdu, which requires right to left typing, one can select RTL typing and then type. Also, there is the option of find and replace, wherein the user can enter any word and find it and then replace it with some other word. So replace works like this. Since we have already verified the timeline and the text in the transcript editing stage, in the translation editing stage, one has to just verify the translated text here. In order to play or pause the video, one can just click anywhere on the video. In order to navigate through the timeline, one can just click anywhere on this timeline bar and the video will move to that position. Or one can even click and drag this bar to navigate through the timeline. Or one can even click on this timeline bar, hold and then use the scroll bar of the mouse to navigate through the timeline. This is the subtitle bar which shows the subtitles for the entire duration of the video. So clicking on any of these subtitles, the video moves to that position and also the subtitle block appears in the timeline as well. There are other options like changing the playback speed of the video.
Yes, it is. The juice is very tasty, Bablu. Water in 2 equal glasses. Then pour water from one glass.
Or changing the theme of the subtitle block which appears in the video. There is the option of save button. So even though auto save is enabled, it is recommended that the user clicks on the save button at frequent intervals to make sure that their work doesn't get lost. So once the translation has been verified for the entire duration of the video, one can just click on complete to submit the translation. So once the translation has been submitted, the user will not have the option to edit the subtitles again. So now we can see that this particular video, conservation of liquids, so its current owner is test translation editor, which is this user, and its status is complete. So moving on to the tasks, we can see that now this conservation of liquids video has the status as complete. So one can get a preview of the subtitles like this. And the subtitles can also be exported in any of these file formats. exporting it as SRT format. The SRT file can be opened using Notepad software. So this is the SRT file. So this completes the translation edit workflow. Thank you.